Hello, welcome to Chapter 12, Lesson 6, the last lesson of the math book. We're going to select an appropriate display. So scan the lesson, predict two things you're going to learn about selecting appropriate displays. So we have different displays give different information. And depending on what you want to show, you would use a different display. So the real world link. The display shows the maximum speed of 6 animals. So we have a cat, rabbit, reindeer, squirrel, and wild turkey. So the speeds from 1 through 5, we have 0 animals. From 6 through 10, we have 0 animals. From 11 through 15, we have 2 animals, the squirrel and the wild turkey. From 16 through 20, we have 0. From 21 to 25, we have 0. From 26 to 30, looks like we have 1. And from 31 to 35, we have 2. Use the bar graph to fill the number of animals column. Okay, we did that. Which display allows you to find the rabbit's maximum speed? Well, the bar graph. Because on the table, we don't know the rabbit's maximum speed, but in the bar graph, we can look and see the rabbit's maximum speed is that 35? It's a little hard to tell. 34 or 35. It says, in which display is it easier to find the number of animals with a maximum speed of 15 miles per hour or less? Explain. Well, if I want to go 15 miles per hour or less, I can just look here, because I can just go 2, 0, 0. So I'm going to say, what is that? Just the table. It is easier for me to find out who has a maximum speed of 15 miles per hour or less. I can add the entries of 15 miles per hour or less. So moving on to the key concept. And normally the key concepts are very, very helpful on the lesson and the homework. So this is where you're going to really want to pay attention. So we have the type of display and the best used to. So we're going to use a bar graph to show the number of items in specific categories. A box plot shows measures of variation for a set of data, also useful for a very large sets of data. Histogram shows frequency of data divided into equal intervals. Bar graphs and histograms are similar. The main thing, the histogram has the equal intervals. A line graph can show change over a period of time, and a line plot shows how many times each number occurs. My class, I will be adding this to our homework. That way it is easier, that way you don't have to flip back. So, which display allows you to tell the mode of the data? Well, I know the mode is the number that appears the most, and it's going to be the line plot. It shows each night's data. The number of orders that occurs most frequently is 27. So the box plot does not do that. So in this case, if we want to know the mode, we're going to say the line plot. So let's try the got it. It says, which of the above displays allows you to easily find the median? Oh, that's going to be easy. The median we know is just this line here in the box plot, so we're going to say the box plot. Example 2. A survey compared different brands of hair shampoo. The table shows the number of first choice responses for each brand. Select an appropriate type of display to compare the number of responses. Justify your choice. So if we look at the table, my best guess is we have specific categories. So we're going to say it's going to be a bar graph because all of these are different categories. So we have brand, responses, brand, and responses. We don't have intervals. We don't have medians, none of that. Well, I mean, we could find a median, but it has specific categories. So we're going to go with a bar graph. So step 3, make an appropriate display. So we're going to make a bar graph. We'll put the brand on the bottom and number of responses on the side. So we have A, B, C, D, and E, and F. And then these are going to be by 5s. And then we just kind of make the bar graph from there. So draw the bar to represent the number of responses for each brand. So this is the table shows the quiz scores of Mr. Vincent's class. Select an appropriate type of display to allow you to count number of students with a score of 85. Explain your choice. So go ahead and pause the video. So my choice is going to be a line plot because that can tell me exactly how many people had a score of 85. So I'm looking, I see numbers in my 70s and 100. So I'm going to go 70, and it's also intervals by 5. 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So you have 70, 70, 75, 80, 100, 85, 85. Oh, we did have a 65. 65, 75, 85, 95, 90, 90, 100, 85, 90, 90, 95, 80, 85, 90, 85, 90, and 75. So we wanted to use a line plot. It will show the number of times the value of 85 shows. And that is the end of the lesson, unless I'm missing a page like last time. Nope. That is the end of the lesson. So this is going to be the last video I'll be doing for this book. So thank you for watching.